Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit video using UCam video editor application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have installed this application, UCam video editor. And after you have installed this application on your phone, you will be able to use this application to edit your video. And you can click on this plus icon to start creating new project and choose the video you want to edit with the UCam application. I'm just going to select this one and click on next. Then you can select the aspect ratio and you can name your project right here, but I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to select this one and click on continue. Okay, and here are the editing tools in UCam video editor. We can use this application to retouch our face and apply makeup. And for example, I'm just going to retouch it. We can go to the retouch and I'm going to make it smoother, just like this. You can also change your hair color if you want. Go to the hair and then you can choose the color you want to apply to your hair. I'm gonna go with this purple color. Increase the intensity and the shine as well. Then I'm going to apply for example folder. Go to folder and you can choose the folder that you like, and you can edit the video according to your needs guys. For the folder, I'm just going to select this one. Okay. Alright guys, then that is how basically we can edit video using UCam Perfect application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!